Hey, hi guys. How are you all doing? A very good morning to you all. Yes. Please respond if everything is okay, then so that we can start off with the class. Okay. Yeah. It's a Saturday morning, and I'm sorry to wake you up. I guess like 11 o'clock tak you should all be up. Yes, guys, where are you? I can't see comments. Hey, hi. Guys, where are you? I cannot see you people. Hello. I'll just see, the chats are not visible to me. I'll just check. Okay. Sorry. Ye like, you know. Cool. Now I can see you people. Yeah. Hi. Okay. I'm all good. How are you people doing? Great. Nice. Yeah. Good to see you all in the morning. Early morning, little angels. You know, when you get to see, it's all happy morning for you all. Right? So you're all little angels, I guess. So let's do the biology marathon. What happened? Like, you know, yesterday we just did the heredity and evolution. क्योंकि उसमें आपको बहुत सारे डाउट्स थे, है ना? 76% people, 76% of votes were for heredity and evolution. So I just tried to cover, you know, certain concepts and questions over there. ठीक है, आपने देखा होगा. So today we will do more of life process and other chapters also. Okay, control and coordination, reproduction, है ना? Management of resources भी करने की कोशिश करेंगे. But अब practical questions मैंने आपको बताया. You do what is just do the sample paper का questions, है ना? They should be sufficient. And if you're not able to answer them, you know, put it on the app, or else if time permits, I'll discuss them here also. है ना बेटा? Cool. So shall we start, guys? Shall we start? Okay. So yeah, here's the creative again. So which one do you like? Oh, okay. This is not the good one. Are they? Yes, guys. So which one do you like? Which superhero do you like? I like the cute Captain America. You know, he's the cutest. Anyone else? Anything else? Yeah, he's the grumpy.
Okay, done.
Cool. So I was asking you which one is your favorite hero. Mine is, you know, Captain America. So were you there with me till the Captain America part? Because that's the most important part of the entire class today. Okay. Yeah, studying and all is not cool, but yeah, Captain, did you? So you were there with me when I explained what Captain America is doing. See, he's the cutest one. So we were done, right? So yeah, choose your superhero. And as I told you yesterday, all superheroes also have to give the exam. Thor is not there, right? Thor, yeah. Spider-Man is like, okay, let's not get in there. Okay, we have already wasted so much time. Let's just get going. है ना? पढ़ाई करते थोड़ी सी. Okay, yeah. So I told you, है ना, life process ये सब तो हमें पता ही है. 5 units हैं हमारी, है ना? I was telling you, बेटा, these are the important topics. Important topics. Please do them based on past year analysis. Okay, say heart, blood vessels, excretion from the human systems. Cool. Then we have hormones, nerve impulse, neurons. These are also very important. Then female reproductive system, male reproductive system, sexual and asexual reproduction. Okay, beta. So these are important. Mendelism, homologous structures. These are also very important. Now you'll be like, sir, sab to important. These are selected topics. Okay, selected few topics which have been repeating in the exam. Cool. Then there is garbage disposal management and trophic level food. वो सब हम करेंगे, ठीक है? So the thing here is कि the garbage वाला part is there. No, I'll tell you the 3 R's you need to remember: reuse, recycle, and reduce. Right? So all these things. So yeah, I explained you need to write neatly, spacing, underlining, no cutting. So this and all we did. Okay. So yeah, this was your poll result. Okay, you wanted us to teach the heredity and evolution part. You wanted us to teach the heredity and evolution part. Cool. So last class में I discussed all these things. Today mostly it will be based on life processes, है ना? Other chapters also I'll try to incorporate, है ना? चलो. Yeah, we did all these questions, बेटा. Last आप कल की lecture देखोगे तो you should be able to do this. Okay. So yeah, we did all this. Yeah. So yesterday also I forgot to ask, how was your maths paper, beta? How was your maths paper? Beta, cabbage mein what they do is they choose the ones which have less space between their leaves and which are sterile basically. 65 and above, mast tha, it's average. Beta, you people are typing so fast, I cannot read your names. Dheere karo thoda. Harish, Dragon Warrior is there. It's going so fast, I cannot read. Okay, next, thank you so much. Okay. Nirmal, Costa, bhaiya, my eyes will get spoiled. It's going so fast. Cool. It's good to see your support, guys. Very good. And I think, Aryan, I can see your name. Okay. 70 and above, 80 plus and above, very good. Whatever is done, just done. Okay, leave that. You gave your 100% efforts, ho gaya, khatam. Now let's focus on the other exams. Okay, don't keep it in your mind and don't think about it. It's over. Now let's move on to the next stage. Cool, that is science, I guess. Chalo. So we were discussing all these things. Okay, yesterday's session mein I found certain questions which were, worth answering. In your comments I saw. And the first thing was someone was asking me what about liger? Speciation mein what about liger? Liger is basically what? Liger is, lion and tiger. When lion breeds with tiger. Beta, there are certain exceptions. Obviously, जो भी हम Mendel के rule भी बताते हैं, they are generalized. There are certain exceptions do exist. Okay, जो भी हम बताते हैं आपने साइंस में देखा होगा, ideal gas law, ये law, they are generalized, they do exist exceptions. Then there was one more very good question. One girl asked me, sir, see, these populations were interbreeding. Some of them moved out. This is genetic drift. Whereas some of them came in, that is gene flow. Some of them came in, that is gene flow. Now, how can these breed? Because they are two different species. But they are not two different species. The question was, how can they interbreed when they are two different species? They are not two different species. Why? Because what happened is, initially, have you heard there was only one land and one water? Pangaea and Panthalassa. If you know, all the continents were one mass, land mass, that was called Pangaea, and Panthalassa was the all water, right? So that likewise, all the organisms initially were same. As I told you, all the organisms initially were same. So the guys who are moving in over here, they are just bringing in their genes. They are right till now, they were not different species. Different species, so they became after millions of years. Millions of years के बाद, जैसे कि ये लोग यहां से बाहर नहीं थे, similarly these guys have come out of these guys. Are you able to follow? ये इस population से निकल के थोड़े से इस population में आ गए, जो इस population से निकल के गए वो थोड़े से आगे जाके दूसरी population में चले गए. Are you able to follow? तो ऐसे ही मिक्स मैच होता रहा जीन. हम यहाँ पे लोगों का मूवमेंट नहीं देख रहे. We are looking at the movement of the genes. That too over millions of years, millions and years. Are you able to follow बेटा? है ना? Cool. चलो. Let's. I guess these were the questions which I thought should be answered. है ना? And beta, the examples which I took, right, catalog and all those things, they are just for understanding. Okay, they do not exist in real. As I told you, they are hypothetical. काल्पनिक हैं वो. काल्पनिक भी नहीं. They are just they don't exist at all. Okay, cool. And yeah, someone wanted to tell me relate classification and evolution. है ना? Classification and evolution. Yeah. क्लासिफिकेशन एंड एवोल्यूशन। ओके, तो क्लासिफिकेशन क्या होता है? व्हाट इज क्लासिफिकेशन? क्लासिफिकेशन मीन्स separating organisms based on their common characteristics, putting organisms in separate groups based on your characteristics. For example, I want to study the students at Vedantu, so how will I classify them? Based on their class as in say first grade, second grade, fifth grade, sixth grade, seventh grade, eighth grade, ninth grade, so I can classify them. Similarly, if I want to study animals, millions of animals are there, millions of reptiles, amphibians are there, so अब मुझे उनको पढ़ना है, तो हाउ वुड आई डू? आई वुड सेपरेट देम बेस्ड ऑन सर्टेन क्लासिफिकेशन, बेस्ड ऑन सर्टेन कॉमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। ठीक है, जैसे कि हमने देखा था क्लासिफिकेशन में क्या होते हैं, फाइलम्स, आपने अगर पढ़ा होगा तो फाइलम्स क्या होते हैं? दीज आर ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स। व्हाट आर फाइलम्स? ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स। नाउ हाउ आर दीज टू रिलेटेड? हाउ आर दीज टू रिलेटेड? बिकॉज जब हम इसको क्लासिफाई करते हैं ना, सारे ऑर्गेनिजम्स को, हम सारे ऑर्गेनिजम्स को क्लासिफाई करते हैं, तो हमें समझ आता है कि एवोल्यूशन कैसे हुआ। फॉर एग्जांपल, सी द फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म वाज बैक्टीरिया। फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनिज्म वाज बैक्टीरिया। देन द अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म वाज पोरीफेरा। पोरीफेरा मतलब वो ऑर्गेनिज्म विच वाज मेड अप ऑफ कलेक्शन ऑफ सेल्स। फिर हमने पोरीफेरा पढ़ा। पोरीफेरा के बाद आगे जाके हमें पता चला देयर वर सीलेंट्रेट एंड नाइडेरिया। नाइडेरिया जिसमें थोड़ा सा हायर लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हुआ। फिर उसके बाद प्लैटीहेलमिंथेस आए, फिर उसके बाद एस्केलमिंथेस आए। ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली द ऑर्गेनिज्म इज बिकमिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स। पहले देखो सिंगल सेल था, फिर मल्टी सेलुलर हुआ। मल्टी सेलुलर होने के बाद क्या हुआ? उसमें टिश्यूज बनने लग गए। क्या बनने लगे? टिश्यूज। फिर थोड़ा और नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स आए, प्लैटीहेलमिंथेस, एस्केलमिंथेस, एनालिडा, आर्थ्रोपोडा। तो क्या होने लगा उसमें? और कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गन्स बनने लग गए। ऑर्गन्स आप देखोगे, फिश का हार्ट इज ओनली 2 चेम्बर्ड, है ना, इट इज नॉट दैट एफिशिएंट। बट हमारा हार्ट देखो, हमारा हार्ट 2 से फिर 3 में आया। रेप्टाइल्स में कितने हार्ट है चेम्बर्स में? सॉरी, चेम्बर्स में कितने हार्ट नहीं है, हार्ट में कितने चेम्बर्स हैं? रेप्टाइल्स के हार्ट में कितने चेम्बर्स हैं? 3 चेम्बर्स हैं। फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ? बर्ड्स और मैमल्स में क्या हो गया? 3 से 4 हो गया। तो आप देख रहे हो, सिंपल ऑर्गेनिज्म फिश से फिर हम कॉम्प्लेक्स हुए, रेप्टाइल्स एंड दिस थिंग, फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा और कॉम्प्लेक्स हुए, मैमल्स एंड बर्ड्स बन गए। अब यू नेवर नो, 500 और 600 मिलियन ईयर्स के बाद देयर माइट बी अ 6 चेम्बर्ड एनिमल आल्सो। बेटा आपको समझ आया? डिड आई मेक इट क्लियर? क्लासिफिकेशन एंड एवोल्यूशन। यस प्लीज टेल मी। डिड आई मेक माई सेल्फ क्लियर बेटा? Very good, very good. Now evolution is not equivalent to progress. एक और क्वेश्चन था, why is evolution not equivalent to progress? Progress क्यों नहीं हो सकता evolution? Because what happens sometimes backward movement भी हो जाता है, sometimes backward movement भी हो जाता है. You would have seen in Discovery channels and all, some individuals will be born with too many hairs, some kids are born with a tail. Like hypothetically आप सबकी टेल होनी चाहिए because you must be so शैतान, but yeah, are you able to follow what I'm trying to tell you, right? So it cannot be related to progress. Progress मतलब हमेशा आगे ही बढ़ना चाहिए, but sometimes what happens, regressive evolution also takes place, है ना? जैसे as I told you, someone got exposed to gamma radiation. Spider-Man देखा है, he becomes reptile. Spider-Man में the villain becomes reptile. Did you see? Like, am I able to make myself clear, beta? Did you see that movie Spider-Man में the reptile वाला movie? The scientist doctor becomes reptile, है ना? पीछे चला गया ना वो, तो ह्यूमन से वो reptile बन गया, तो वो प्रोग्रेस ना, वो तो बैक एवोल्यूशन हो गया. Cool. Yeah, amazing Spider-Man. Yeah, चलो let's do human circulation. I guess I answered all your questions, है ना? बेटा heredity and evolution से अब थोड़ा आगे बढ़ते हैं, थोड़ा लाइफ प्रोसेस सीखते हैं, ठीक है? थोड़ा अपनी बॉडी के बारे में जानते हैं. So yeah, who will tell me what is double circulation? हाँ बेटा, म्यूटेशन से भी तो एवोल्यूशन होता है. Mutation is one of the cause of evolution. Evolution can be because of various things. है ना, जैसे कि हमने देखा था जेनेटिक ड्रिफ्ट, जीन फ्लो, वेरिएशन, देन नेचुरल सिलेक्शन और म्यूटेशन इज वन ऑफ द कॉजेस. ओके, या सो डबल सर्कुलेशन. बेटा who will tell me why, describe double circulation in human beings, why is it necessary? Please tell me, if you can mention the comments. Pulmonary, systemic. Yeah, very good. Amit, Simran, very good. Beta, you people are typing so fast. Very good. So yeah, I can't. I read slowly. Yeah. So let me explain to you. है ना? So what happened? Double circulation में what happens? See, the heart is there, right? Heart से in one circulation, in one cycle of circulation of my blood, it passes through my heart twice. The blood passes through my heart twice in one circulation. That is why I call double circulation in human beings. Circulation of blood is called as double circulation in human beings. है ना बेटा? क्यों? क्योंकि ब्लड 2 बार पास करता है हमारे हार्ट से इन वन साइकिल. जैसे कि पहले लंग्स से आता है, यहां जाता है, फिर यहां से वापस जाके ऑर्गन्स के पास जाता है, फिर यहां से देखो सेकेंड राउंड वापस हार्ट पे आया. आर यू एबल टू फॉलो? सी, दिस इज मी. आई डिसाइडेड चलो हार्ट घूम के आते हैं, लेट्स गो एंड ट्रैवल थ्रू द हार्ट. सो आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द लंग्स. I went into the left atrium. Then from left atrium I went to the left ventricle. Heart का एक राउंड हो गया. Then I got out of the heart. Is my cycle complete yet? No, my cycle will be complete when I reach back over here again. Right? So I started moving. I went to organs. यहाँ पे where did I go? Sorry, I went to organs. From organs I went to right atrium. Now where am I? I am in the right atrium. Right atrium से then I went to the right ventricle. So this is me entering the heart second time. Right? This is me entering the heart second time. Right? Then what did I do? I went out from here. Then I reached the lungs. Then my day was complete. Now I got exhausted. I'll sleep. Did you understand now? In one cycle, here I started from here. In one cycle, I moved through the heart twice. That is why this is called as double circulation. है ना बेटा? Very easy. Beta, little bit Hindi I am using because there are a lot other people who are not as privileged as you. They study in like government schools. They are more comfortable in Hindi. They understand Hindi. So please, I'll use little. Na? I'm using both. है ना? Yes, I guess this is clear. Now please tell me, why is it necessary? भैया ये necessary क्यों है? Why is it necessary? Why is it necessary? Yeah, he's like this. Yes. Why is it necessary? बेटा आप यहां फोकस करो, जो मैं पूछ रहा हूं इधर उधर की बातें मत करो, है ना? Why is it necessary? Because it increases efficiency. क्या होता है? Efficiency बढ़ा देता है. Efficiency कैसे बढ़ती है? How it increases the efficiency of the utilization of the what? It increases the efficiency of utilization of oxygen. How? Because what happens over here is the oxygenated blood remains separated. Oxygenated blood remains separated from the deoxygenated blood. आप देखोगे, my left side always carries oxygen rich blood. My left side always carries oxygen rich blood and my right side always carries deoxygenated blood. आपने देखा ऑक्सीजन है, यहाँ पे आ गया, यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, फिर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आ गया, तो फिर यहाँ पे कौन सा वाला ब्लड जाता है? CO2 रिच ब्लड. यहाँ पे कौन सा आता है? CO2 रिच ब्लड. देन इट गोज इनटू द लंग्स वेयर इट गेट्स ऑक्सीजनेटेड एंड अगेन ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड कम्स आउट. आर यू एबल टू फॉलो बेटा? लेफ्ट साइड ऑलवेज कैरीज oxygenated blood and right side always carries deoxygenated blood. Cool? है ना, वेरी गुड. सो इट मेंटेन्स एफिशिएंसी, क्योंकि अगर ये दोनों रेप्टाइल्स में व्हाट हैपेंस इन केस ऑफ रेप्टाइल्स इज राइट, दे हैव 3 चेंबर, राइट एट्रियम, लेफ्ट एट्रियम, एंड देयर हियर दे डोंट हैव एनी this thing. So what happens, carbon dioxide and oxygen rich air gets mixed up. Carbon dioxide and oxygen rich air gets mixed up in reptiles and amphibians basically. So what happens, the organs के पास कौन सा जाएगा, mixture of O2 and CO2. O2 and CO2 जाएगा organs के पास. So can they utilize it properly? No, efficiency कम हो जाएगी. बेटा efficiency आपको समझ आती है ना, the ability to utilize oxygen obviously कम हो जाएगा. Are you able to follow? I guess it's clear. Exactly, and we need more energy. See how complex I am. I am thinking, है ना, my kidney is doing excretion, my heart is pumping blood, है ना, my lungs are breathing, है ना, and my neurons are continuously, you know, sending signals. भैया ये बताओ, ये बताओ, ये बताओ. Are you able to follow what I am trying to tell you, बेटा? Cool. Yeah, let's move on to the next question then. I guess I made myself very clear. This is the same thing which I want. They have explained. Okay. With the help of a diagram, explain the mechanism of respiration in human beings. Beta, what are the steps of respiration? And how is respiration different than breathing? Breathing और respiration में फर्क क्या है? Breathing और human respiration में फर्क क्या है? Beta, see, breathing is taking in oxygen, giving out carbon dioxide. That's it. That is breathing. Breathing is taking in oxygen, giving out carbon dioxide. That is breathing. Respiration क्या होता है? What is respiration? Respiration is process of producing ATP. That is एनर्जी कहां से आती है, हमें एनर्जी आती है रेस्पिरेशन से. हाउ डू वी गेट एनर्जी? वी गेट एनर्जी फ्रॉम रेस्पिरेशन. गाइस, डिड आई मेक माई सेल्फ क्लियर? है ना, ब्रीदिंग इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन. ब्रीदिंग इज फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन. क्यों? उससे क्या होता है? बिकॉज इट ब्रिंग्स इन ऑक्सीजन. सी, आई एम ब्रीदिंग इन, ऑक्सीजन एंटर्ड माई लंग्स. नाउ दिस ऑक्सीजन, व्हाट विल आई डू विद दिस ऑक्सीजन? आई विल यूज दिस ऑक्सीजन टू ब्रेक द फूड. I will use this oxygen to break the food and produce energy out of it. Yes, beta? Right. So what are the mechanism? Mechanism क्या रहेगा? See, first step is breathing. The first step is breathing. The second step is exchange of gases. मैंने breathe करा, मेरे lungs में ऑक्सीजन आ गया. फिर यहां से ऑक्सीजन कहां जाएगा? The oxygen will go into the blood. Where is the oxygen going? Oxygen is going into the blood, right? So then exchange of gases between lungs and blood. This was my second step. What will be my third step? मैंने ब्रीथ करा, लंग्स में आ गया मेरा ऑक्सीजन, लंग्स से ब्लड में चला गया. नाउ ब्लड विल टेक इट टू ऑल द ऑर्गन्स ऑफ माय बॉडी. ब्लड में आ गया. नाउ ब्लड विल टेक इट टू माय दिस पार्ट, ब्लड विल टेक इट टू माय थाइस, ब्लड विल टेक इट टू माय दिस पार्ट, ब्लड विल टेक द ऑक्सीजन टू माय ब्रेन. राइट? सो एक्सचेंज ऑफ gases between blood and organ. ब्लड ऑर्गन को क्या देगा? ऑक्सीजन. और ऑर्गन ब्लड को क्या देगा? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट विल द ब्लड डू? ब्लड विल ब्रिंग इट बैक एंड आई विल एक्सहेल इट आउट. देन देयर इज द फोर्थ स्टेप. बेटा, फोर्थ स्टेप इज सेलुलर The fourth step is cellular respiration. Fourth step is cellular respiration. Now, fourth cellular respiration मतलब क्या है? The oxygen has now reached to the organs. Organs में कहाँ जाता है? Organs में it goes to the cells. What are the organs made up of? Organs are made up of cells. Now cells, what do the cells do? Cells take the oxygen from the blood, use that oxygen to break the food, produce ATP out of it, and as a byproduct उसमें carbon dioxide बनता है, which will they put it in the blood. But I guess did I make myself clear? Yes बेटा, है ना? So carbon dioxide blood में आ गया, then I will exhale it out. So these things happen simultaneously. But I am putting in a lot of efforts, please, you know, like, yeah, please try to focus over here. This is the last session, then I won't be repeating or doing anything again. Yes, I guess, yeah, you people are able to follow. And please keep interacting, and it feels good to see you people, है ना? As I told you, the little angels, don't be the little devils, है ना? Yeah. Cool. That's what is explained over here. Let's move to the other part. Draw a label diagram of human digestive system. Yes, beta. Draw a label diagram of human digestive system. See, it is very easy if you draw. It with me. I can draw it less than 2 minutes. Like, I know it's bad, but yeah, let's draw it properly. Yes, beta. Please keep your notebook with you, and try to draw it with me. Achha. Right. Very good. Let's see. Labeling, I guess you can do. This is esophagus, stomach, pancreas. We have liver. है ना, large intestine, small intestine. Okay, guys, try to label it on the one side. It looks neater, है ना, like, yeah, that's what I told you, right? Additional marks, I would say. Cool. Then, what's the function of bile? Yes, I want answer from you. I'm looking at the chats. What's the answer? Like, what's the function of bile? Very good. Someone says emulsification of fat. Emulsification of fat. Now, what do I mean by emulsification of fat? Emulsification of fat means breaking down of fat molecule into small micelles. मतलब एक बड़ा सा fat droplet क्या हो जाएगा? Small छोटे droplets में break हो जाएगा. ठीक है? That's what bile does. What's the function of salivary amylase? Yes, guys. Breakdown of starch. What is the function of salivary amylase? Breakdown of starch. Okay, बेटा जहां पे भी आप amylase देख लो ना, amylase मतलब होता है breakdown of starch और carbohydrate. Lipase, breakdown of fat. Cool. Chalo, let's move forward. HCl, what does HCl do? It provides acidic medium for action of the, yes, it provides acidic medium for action of the protein pepsin. What does pepsin do, beta? Pepsin helps in digestion of the proteins. Right? I guess we are good. Very good. Now, human excretory system. Human excretory system. बेटा इतना complicated diagram नहीं बनाना, ठीक है? I'll tell you. See, just make 2 kidneys, है ना, 2 ureters. This is what a teacher expects from you, right? And you can put arteries and veins, right? Renal artery, and you can also put a renal vein over there. That's it, right? This is kidney. This is kidney. These are ureters. We have urinary bladder, and what do we have over here? Urethra, right? बेटा लाइपेज हेल्प्स इन ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ द फैट. जहां पे भी आप लाइपेज देख लो, इट हेल्प्स इन ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ द फैट. कूल. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. मेंशन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स एंड एक्सप्लेन देम. एज आई टोल्ड यू, किडनी फॉर मेकिंग यूरिन, यूरेटर्स फॉर ट्रांसफरिंग इट, है ना, बेसिकली, एंड यूरिनरी ब्लैडर फॉर स्टोरिंग इट, यूरेथ्रा फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टिंग यूरिन एंड स्पर्म्स, राइट? या सेम थिंग. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. या व्हाट्स द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन जाइलम एंड फ्लोएम? अरे, difference between xylem and phloem. Yes beta, please fast. What is xylem, what is phloem? What is xylem, what is phloem? Phloem. Xylem and phloem. Very good. Xylem helps in transport of water and minerals. Phloem helps in transport of food. Xylem unidirectional flow. Xylem से water हमेशा ऊपर की तरफ जाता है. Food can travel in both the direction. और उनके components भी different होते हैं. As I told you, see, right? It helps in transport of minerals and water, whereas this helps in food, transportation of food. It is bidirectional. It is unidirectional. है ना? It consists of tracheids and vessels. It consists of seed tubes and companion cells. What are the other parts? Xylem, parenchyma, and xylem fibers, and their seed tube companion cells, phloem, parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Right बेटा? चलो आगे चलते हैं. Exactly. What are the different ways? This is from the respiration chapter. What are the different ways in which glucose is oxidized to produce energy? ये बेटा जल्दी बताओ. बेटा इंपॉर्टेंट डायग्राम्स, एवरीथिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट. समवन इज लाइक म्यूटेशन. बेटा म्यूटेशन वो होता है, सी ये आपका डीएनए है, ये आपका डीएनए है ना. आई एक्सपोज यू टू रेडिएशन, रेडिएशन गामा, है ना, बीटा और अल्फा रेडिएशन मैंने कर दिया, तो आपका डीएनए चेंज हो गया. आपका डीएनए ऐसा लाइक चेंज हो गया. चेंज मतलब ये वाला पार्ट ऊपर चला गया, ये वाला पार्ट नीचे आ गया, ये वाला पार्ट ऊपर चला गया, ये वाला पार्ट नीचे आ गया. तो मतलब बेसिकली आपका मैप खराब हो गया. सो यू विल चेंज. Why does evolution take place? Because DNA change हो रहा था over the millions of years. So this is what mutation is. Mutation is sudden change. Sudden change हो जाता है आपके DNA में. Sudden change मतलब आपका DNA का यहाँ पे कोडिंग होती है ना, A, T, C, G. ये कोडिंग आपको पता है होती है यहाँ पे. तो that changes. Okay, there's no need to go in that detail बेटा. Just understand mutation causes changes in your DNA. Mutation मतलब आप अगर एक्सपोज हो जाते हो किसी रेडिएशन से, जैसे कि हमारे सुपर हीरोज हो जाते हैं, तो वो चेंज हो जाते हैं. देखा नहीं आपने, वो ह्यूमन से हल्क बन गया, राइट? सो लाइक दैट. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड गाइस, है ना. एज आई टोल्ड यू, रेस्पिरेशन 2 तरह की होती हैं, एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन एंड एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन एंड एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन, राइट? अब aerobic is in presence of oxygen, anaerobic is in absence of oxygen. ये कहां पे होता है? ये basically happens in yeast और fungi. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? इसको हम also कहते हैं fermentation. क्वेश्चन आएगा एग्जाम में, व्हाट आर द बाई प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ फर्मेंटेशन इन यीस्ट, व्हाट आर द बाई प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ फर्मेंटेशन इन यीस्ट, यू हैव टू राइट इथेनॉल एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, है ना बेटा. Then what happens in the presence, what happens when you are exercising, sometimes when you are exercising or sometimes when you use your muscles ज़्यादा more, at that time what happens, the oxygen is not able to reach to your muscles. हम जैसे ही ब्रीथ करते हैं, हमारी स्पीड कम है ब्रीदिंग की, कई बार हम एनर्जी बहुत जल्दी जल्दी यूज करते हैं, तो क्या होता है कि हमारा ये यहां तक पहुंच नहीं पाता ऑक्सीजन. तो उस टाइम पे क्या होता है, द बॉडी स्टार्ट्स डूइंग दिस टाइप ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन इन द लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, है ना. इन दैट केस व्हाट आर बाई प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड, लैक्टिक एसिड इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. आपने देखा होगा कभी आपने एक्सरसाइज कर ली बहुत सारी, तो आपको पेन होता है. क्यों पेन इसलिए होता है, क्योंकि वहां पे लैक्टिक एसिड प्रोड्यूस हो जाते हैं, है बेटा. वेरी गुड. देन ग्लूकोज, वी हैव कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मतलब जो नॉर्मल होता है, नॉर्मली जैसे मैं ब्रीथ कर रहा हूं, मेरी एनर्जी बन रही है, तो इट इज व्हाट इज प्रोड्यूस एज अ बाई प्रोडक्ट, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज प्रोड्यूस एज अ बाई प्रोडक्ट, राइट. I guess I might made myself clear. Then someone is asking me about lymph. What is lymph? Beta, lymph is a white colored fluid. Lymph is a white colored or yellowish colored fluid which helps in, you know, immunity and transportation of fat. Immunity and transportation of fat. बस आप अभी इतना जान लो, ठीक है. बाद में आपके लिए जब आप हायर क्लासेस में जाओगे तब आपको हेल्प होगी उसकी, ठीक है बेटा. I guess I answered lymph. Cool. Beta, ANS, autonomous nervous system, CNS, brain and spinal cord. Okay, I'll tell you. Arey, hold on. So the thing is, the control and coordination, our body has three things. Nervous system, there are three things. One is central nervous system. Central nervous system मतलब बस brain और spinal cord को ले लोगे ना, it is central nervous system. Only brain and spinal cord is central nervous system बस. अब ब्रेन में से क्या होता है, बहुत सारी नर्व्स आ रही होती हैं, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में से बहुत सारी नर्व्स आ रही हैं. They form the part of peripheral nervous system. समझ आ रही है. ब्रेन और स्पाइनल कॉर्ड क्या है, मेरा सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. उसमें से जो वायर्स निकल रही हैं, वायर्स एज इन द नर्व्स व्हिच आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ देम, दे आर पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम, ठीक है. थर्ड इज ऑटोनॉमस नर्वस सिस्टम. अब ऑटोनॉमस नर्वस सिस्टम वो है जो मेरे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. लाइक some nerves are in my eyes which close or open my pupils. Can I control them? No. It is controlled by the amount of light coming in. I cannot control those. So they form the part of autonomous nervous system. I guess I made myself clear. Let's move forward now. Talking about, triple fusion in plants. What is triple fusion in plants? बेटा लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम आपको बताया तो मैंने. लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम बेसिकली, सी ब्लड हैज थ्री थिंग्स, है ना. ब्लड वेसल्स, हार्ट एंड ब्लड. लाइकवाइज लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम हैज अ येलोइश कलर और व्हाइट कलर फ्लूइड कॉल्ड एज लिम्फ, है ना. लिम्फ वेसल्स, उसकी अलग पाइप्स होती हैं, लिम्फ वेसल्स एंड लिम्फ नोड्स, है ना. एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन? फंक्शन इज कैरिंग फैट एंड प्रोवाइडिंग इम्यूनिटी. बस आपको इतना ही जानना है, अब मैं दोबारा नहीं बताऊंगा. नाउ लेट्स मूविंग ऑन टू द ट्रिपल फ्यूजन. Okay. Now, but I don't have that much of time or liberty with me, है ना. I guess all those questions which you are asking, I have made all those videos on Sprint X, है ना. Please आप उसको follow करिए, है ना. This I have prepared something. I would try to help you with that. Yeah, cool. Okay. So now what happens? What is triple fusion? Triple fusion में what happens is, see, the pollen grains come over here to stigma. What is this process called as? Pollination. This process is called as pollination. Now pollination के बाद क्या होता है? A pollen tube is formed which carries the pollen tube to the ovule. Now ovule के अंदर क्या होता है? Ovule के अंदर it looks something like this. It looks something like this. So this is my egg और ओवा, और ये जो दो है ना, ये दो न्यूक्लियाई हैं, इसको हम कहते हैं पोलर न्यूक्लियाई, इसको हम कहते हैं पोलर न्यूक्लियाई. सो जब ये ऐसे अंदर आ रहा होता है, व्हेन द पोलन ट्यूब एंटर्स इनटू द ओव्यूल, इट रिलीजेस two gametes, two male gamete, and one male gamete fuses with the egg or the ova to form the zygote, and the other gamete fuses with the two polar nuclei. Other gamete fuses with the two polar nuclei. तो क्या हो गया? 3 nuclei fuse कर रहे हैं, तो it is called as triple fusion. It is called as triple fusion. This is triple fusion. This is fertilization. As two fertilization are taking place, one with the egg, other with the two polar nuclei. This entire process is called as double fertilization. Very important question, beta. Like, just do this. I guess this is clear. Yeah, very important. Yes, guys, very important question. The female reproductive system. As I told you in the beginning of the chapter also, female reproductive system and male reproductive systems are very important. है ना? You need to mark ovary, है ना? Uterus, vagina, fallopian tube is very very important. Cervix, बेटा ovary, uterus and fallopian tube जरूर याद कर लेना. What are their functions? They won't ask you label and name. Like it's also there in the question. Label and mention its function. Function mention करो. फंक्शन मेंशन करो. फंक्शन क्या है? व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ यूट्रस? नरिशमेंट ऑफ एम्ब्रियो, है ना, और नरिशमेंट ऑफ द एम्ब्रियो, क्या कहते हैं उसको, लाइक बेबी इज डेवलप्ड इनसाइड द यूट्रस. देन फैलोपियन ट्यूब, ट्रांसफर ऑफ द एग, और फर्टिलाइजेशन में भी फर्टिलाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस इन द फैलोपियन ट्यूब. ओवरी, प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द एग्स, राइट. सर्विक्स एंड वजाइना हेल्प इन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ स्पर्म्स, राइट बेटा, वेरी गुड. Just similarly do the male reproductive system also. Okay, like yeah, it came also. नाम लिया और आ गया. Very good. Male reproductive system. See again here. Again here, testis, epididymis, vast difference. इनके functions आपको पता होने चाहिए. This is not the, like, you need not draw this one, है ना. The other diagram you can draw. Right. What's the function of testis? What is the function of testis? Production of sperms. What is the function of epididymis? Epididymis क्या होता है? The testis के ऊपर, see, over the testis there is this tissue. This is called as epididymis. This is epididymis. है ना, यहाँ से vast difference comes, right? So this is epididymis. What is the function of epididymis? It's a coiled vessel, coiled structure. It helps in storage of the sperm. Epididymis helps in storage of the sperms. Very good. Then what's the function of vas deferens? Transportation of the sperm. Function of vas deferens is transportation of the sperm. Very good. है ना? And testis also help in production of the male hormone, that is, they help in production of testosterone. Yes, beta, male and female reproductive system are kind of important, है ना, please do. Very good. What are the methods of contraception? Beta, very important, reproductive health का question है. What are methods of contraception? Yes, we have mechanical methods, we have, chemical methods, hormones वगैरह. Then we have surgical method. Mechanical और barrier methods, है ना, chemical methods and surgical methods. Better you can rewind it and see it. I cannot repeat the entire thing. है ना, sorry, है ना, time constraints, I guess. Okay, very good. I'm really sorry. Yeah, I cannot repeat the same thing which I have taught. है ना, you can just rewind it and see. I guess it will be available on YouTube. Yeah, very good. I guess this is clear. Yeah, draw a structure of neuron and explain its function. But a very easy diagram, and you can draw it like this. I guess you can draw it, है ना. Right, just this would do, beta, just this would do, है ना. Label it as in this is dendrite. What is this? dendrite, right? What do we have over here? This is nucleus, cyton or cell body. This is axon. This is terminal nerve ending. है ना बेटा? I guess this is all very trivial और 100 बार कर चुके हैं, उससे ज़्यादा ही हम कर चुके हैं, है ना? So let's move forward. Yeah, very important बेटा, very important. ये वाले hormones तो जरूर याद कर लेना please. Remember all these hormones and who produces these. Very important hormones. Yes. Cool. Thyroxine is produced by thyroid gland. What is the function? It helps in increasing metabolism. Insulin produced by pancreas. Insulin is produced by pancreas. What does it help in? It helps in reducing the blood glucose level. Adrenaline produced by adrenal gland. What does it help in? It helps in, it's a fight or a flight hormone. Growth hormone produced by pituitary. What does it do? Helps in increasing size or height basically. Testosterone, what does it help in? Helps in male characters like beard, see, beard, and I guess the other characters, more muscular development, muscles, guys have more muscular development than females, like likewise. Cool. What are the primary organs, beta? What are primary characters of male? Presence of testis. What are the primary characters of females? Presence of ovary. Okay, cool. What are trophic movements? Beta, these are plants ka control and coordination. What are trophic movements? Hydrotrophism, geotrophism, then phototropism. Tropism means movement towards the sun is called as phototropism. Movement towards the chemicals is called as chemotropism. Movement towards the gravity, geotropism. Movement towards water, hydrotropism, right? Cool. Okay, you have touched a hot object and you remove your hand suddenly. What is this process called as? Reflex action. This is called as reflex action. Reflex action. Reflex action, basically what happens? Receptor organs, then we have sensory nerves. Sensory nerves से कहाँ जाता है? Spinal cord से. Spinal cord से it comes to the motor nerves, and motor nerves से effector organs. Sensory organ, sensory nerve, spinal cord, motor nerve, motor organ. Brain तक जाता ही नहीं है, spinal cord से ही वो हो जाता है. This flow of information is called as reflex arc. Very good. I guess someone is asking me 10% law. Yeah, see 10% law, what does it says? Only 10% of energy is transferred from one trophic level to other trophic level. Say यहाँ पे 100 units of energy हमारे पास, तो इसमें कितनी जाएगी? Only 10% energy is transferred to the next trophic level. अब यहाँ पे 10 है तो इस पे कितनी जाएगी? Only 1. इसके ऊपर कितनी जाएगी? 0.1. आपको समझ आ रहा है? That is why only 2 or 3 trophic levels exist in the food chain. समझ आया बेटा? Why only 10% is transport? मतलब is moved on to the next thing because the others is used because of respiration. Respiration से use हो जाता है ना? Biomass बनाने में use हो जाता है, तो only 10% is transferred to the next generation. I guess I answered 10% law. Now another one is biomagnification. Someone is asking what is biomagnification. Beta, biomagnification is what happens is accumulation of chemicals, chemical substances at different trophic levels. For example, I'll tell you, see these small fishes were lying in a pond. यहाँ पे था थोड़ा, they were chemicals. Then came a big fish, a very bad fish. Then came a big fish. It ate all the small fishes. तो जितना भी केमिकल था इसमें ज्यादा बढ़ गया. केमिकल्स बहुत ज्यादा accumulate हो गया, अब आया मैं, now came I came, now I ate this fish, what happened to this fish? इसका सारा chemicals came into my stomach. I didn't stop with eating one fish, I ate one more big fish. And the entire chemical came into my stomach. Are you able to see? The chemical is increasing. This is called as biological magnification. Beta, इससे ज़्यादा अच्छे से तो explain I guess no one can do. Did I answer biological magnification? Cool. Yeah, now someone is crying. Beta, placenta, A, B, C, D, E, sing. Yes, I'll explain placenta. Last question, guys. Placenta is the last question. Then I'll close the show. Yeah. Now placenta, beta, it's the tissue. It's the tissue which helps in nourishment of the baby. It's a tissue which helps in nourishment of the baby when inside the mother's body. See, this is the uterus of a female. है ना, तो यहाँ पे जो टिश्यू होता है जिससे हमारा बेबी अटैच्ड होता है, दैट इज प्लेसेंटा. दिस टिश्यू इज प्लेसेंटा. इट एक्ट्स एज अ लिंक बिटवीन मदर्स एंड द एम्ब्रियो, मदर्स बॉडी एंड द एम्ब्रियो. सो मदर जो भी खाना वाना खाती हैं, इट गेट्स transported over here. Whatever the mother eats, it gets transported to the baby. और baby का जो waste material होता है, it goes out through the placenta. Right, beta? Right? Exactly. Okay, guys, this is it. This was the last question. Okay, so I would like to say thank you to all of you for attending this sessions. है ना, it was my privilege teaching you all little angels. Okay, I love teaching you people. Okay, hope to connect with you at some time in future. है ना, when I am old and you come to see me, sir, I studied from you. Okay, I would be waiting for those days. Cool. Yeah. Okay, guys, then yeah, that's it from my side. I would say all the best. है ना, और इतनी बार मैं आपको बाय बोल चुका हूँ, इतनी बार मैं वापस आ चुका हूँ. तो I guess we are gonna be in touch. I guess, yeah. Okay. Yes, guys. So yeah, this time it's not bye. कभी अलविदा ना कहना. I won't say bye again. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you sometime soon. And all the best for your exams. As I told you, go kill the exam and scare the hell out of it. Okay. See you. Bye bye.